Welcome to 360 VR video, where every frame is an invitation to explore. In this 180 degrees immersive experience, you'll meet fascinating people, discover breathtaking places, and embark on an unforgettable adventure, all from the comfort of your screen. So, relax and let yourself be transported into a world like no other. Stay with me and enjoy the journey. Good morning, everyone. I'm so happy you're here with me again. Welcome back to 360 Degrees VR video, where we walk, we talk, and we see the world just a little differently, one step at a time. Today, the Mediterranean breeze is kissing my skin, and I've just arrived at one of my favorite places in the entire city, Barceloneta Beach. This isn't just a beach. It's a window into Barcelona's soul. And if you walk with me today, you'll start to see why. The waves are calm, the sky is cloudless, and the city is slowly waking up. You can already see early risers stretching on the sand, a group of friends setting up for paddleball, joggers passing by, and in the distance, someone dipping their toes into the chilly water. And right in the middle of it all, something that surprises many tourists but is completely normal here: women sunbathing topless. No, this isn't a nudist beach. It's just Barcelona. Today we're talking about something that might feel taboo in other places, but here, it's part of everyday life. The freedom to go topless. You see, in Barcelona, freedom isn't just an idea. It's a way of living, an energy that flows from the streets to the sea. And here on this beach, toplessness isn't shocking. It's not political. It's simply a personal choice. That's what I want to talk about on this walk, because sometimes it's in the smallest, quietest freedoms, like the freedom to remove your bikini top and soak up the sun, that we learn the most about a place and its people. Let's go back a little in time. The right to be topless in public spaces in Spain wasn't always protected. It was part of a broader cultural shift that followed the end of Franco's dictatorship in the 1970s. After decades of censorship and repression, Spain entered a new era of democracy, openness, and modern values. Barcelona, in particular, became a beacon of liberal thought, especially around body autonomy and self-expression. It wasn't long before beaches like this one embraced optional toplessness, not as a protest, but as an ordinary act. Today, no one blinks twice. Whether you're in your swimsuit, in shorts and a t-shirt, or bearing it all from the waist up, it's all good. The beauty of Barceloneta is that it doesn't demand anything from you. You show up, you be yourself, and you let the sunshine do the rest. Let me tell you a little story. A few years ago, I came to this beach with a friend from the US. It was her first time in Europe, and she was excited, but a bit nervous about the culture shock. We spread our towels near the water and started chatting. A few minutes later, a group of women next to us took off their tops, lay back, and started sunbathing like it was the most natural thing in the world. My friend immediately froze. She leaned over and whispered, "Wait, is this a topless beach?" I smiled and said, "Every beach in Barcelona can be a topless beach." She looked around nervously, scanning for judgment, but no one paid attention. In fact, it was like we were the only ones who even noticed. That moment sparked a long conversation. Not about the body, really, but about freedom. About how different it feels when you're in a place that doesn't over-sexualize or police your choices. A place where your comfort level is yours to define. By the end of the day, she didn't go topless, but she did say something I'll never forget. "It's nice to know I could if I wanted to." And that's really the heart of it, the option. No one's telling you what to do. You're not expected to take off your top, and you're not judged if you keep it on. It's all about the power to decide for yourself. In some places, women still get shamed or even fined for going topless. Here, it's normalized. And that normalization has an effect that you can feel. It makes the beach feel safer, more inclusive, and honestly, a little lighter. It's not about exhibition. It's about ease. Walking along Barceloneta, it's impossible not to feel the city's rhythm. Barcelona isn't just a place. It's a vibe. It celebrates architecture, art, food, nightlife, and yes, freedom of expression. Everything here invites you to be more relaxed, more open. You'll see couples kissing openly, people dancing on street corners, musicians playing to crowds that form like magic, and on the beach, people being unapologetically themselves. This beach becomes a kind of mirror, reflecting a society that believes in respect over repression, in individuality over conformity. That's part of why I always say, my sunglasses are more than a fashion statement. They're my little shield, my lens to the world. Behind them, I can observe, reflect, feel the city, and share all of it with you. And here in Barcelona, they've helped me witness a beautiful kind of freedom. One that's quiet, one that's effortless, and one that, once you see it, stays with you. If you ever find yourself here, take a slow walk like this one. Don't just rush to snap photos. Take time to notice. Notice how nobody's in a hurry. Notice how women lie peacefully with their shirts off, not because they want attention, but because they're comfortable. Notice how the people around them don't notice. That's the real magic of Barceloneta. Barcelona teaches you that freedom doesn't have to be loud. Sometimes it's just lying quietly in the sun. Sometimes it's walking along the beach with sand in your toes and wind in your hair. Sometimes it's realizing that nobody here is judging you, and maybe you don't need to judge yourself so harshly either. So, would you go topless in Barcelona? You don't have to answer out loud, but sit with the question for a moment. Not because you need to decide right now, but because the freedom to ask yourself that question, without shame, is kind of beautiful. That's what Barceloneta offers: space, choice, permission, and who knows, maybe that small permission grows into something bigger. Maybe, just maybe, it opens up a new way of seeing yourself. Thank you for walking with me today. I'm so happy you joined me here, in the sun, by the sea, in this little corner of a city that believes in being free. If you enjoyed this, there's so much more to discover here on 360 Degrees VR Video. From unexpected stories to simple walks like this one, every video is a chance to see the world from a new perspective. One step, one breath, one beach at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore the channel if you haven't yet. I'll be back soon with another adventure, and maybe another breeze, another beach, another story that helps us feel a little more human. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind. Bye for now.